I am at 132 Hoover in McMinnville. So this is kind of like a tri-level house. So walking in the front door, here is the living room. Then you've got stairs up and stairs down. Here's the kitchen. Very cute. Kind of a small area here. So, you know, just like either a narrow table or like maybe a 2-seater table or something like that would fit. Here is the backyard. We'll go upstairs. Here's the bathroom. Looks like they have redone this. And the tub looks fairly new. Bedroom. Another bedroom. Looks like newer windows as well. Little closets. Then another bedroom. So this one is the biggest of the three. We have a closet. Okay, so another room down here. It doesn't have a closet, so it doesn't technically classify as a bedroom. And we have another full bath down here with a washer and dryer and water heater. And then down here, we have another living area with a sliding glass door. Oops, okay. So backyard. HVAC unit is on gas heat. And the front yard. Driveway. And the driveway does extend up on this way, and then there's an entrance to the basement on that side as well.